Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys the quickest way that I edit my YouTube shorts and my Instagram reels so that I can use them on both platforms. Now, I do not use those platforms in order to edit my content because I feel like they're not editing platforms. They're literally just a platform for you to upload your finished content. So I use CapCut, and I'm going to share my screen with you guys right here so that you can see exactly step by step what I do in order to edit my content. Now first, I'll go into Instagram and I'll search for a song. Now I go through the YouTube shorts and just keep scrolling until I find one that I really like. Now I love this one because it just gives me a full vibe. And the outfit that I'm going to be using to edit is going to be this Nike bodysuit that I absolutely love because it's very comfortable, it's stretchy, and it snatches you in. So I'm going to show 3 different outfits that you can wear with this. Now, I found an Instagram reel that I really want to use, and I'm going to save it here. As you can see, I've already saved it just to be safe. And then I'm actually going to screen record that sound of the music. It's a vibe. Alright, so I feel like that's enough music for what I need it for. And then I'm going to head over to CapCut so that I can actually start editing the content reel short, YouTube short. So you're going to start a new project, and I'm going to select all the content that I've gathered together. So for the first look, I believe it was the black pants, and I threw the shoes in there. So I'm going to add that, and I'm going to keep the pieces that I really want. So there's the outfit. I'll edit that out. I threw the pants in there. Cut there. And keep the part where I have the shoes in there. And then cut that part to where I have just the jacket that I'm going to use in there. So right here. Okay, so now you can see I cut some of that out. So now you can see it goes from 1, 2, 3. Those are my 3 for that one. Then I'm going to put in the photo of me jumping into the screen. So right after that last one of the jacket, I'm going to add in me in the outfit that I've already. And here you can see how I can trim it to exactly where I want it to start. So I'll do it here. And then you can also stretch it to make it exact size you want it, or wherever you want the shot to go. So let's see what pose I like. Actually, let's get me jumping in. So I'm going to snip this, jump in, and then the pose. And I'm going to take the rest out. Now I'm going to go to the next outfit. So I'll start it here where it's just that. I'll play, boom, snip. Next, the shoe, snip. And then the next is going to be the jacket. So right before the jacket, I'm going to cut that out too. Boom, boom, snip. Boom, boom, snip. That's kind of like dancing, right? Okay, now I'm going to put me jumping into the screen with that on. So that's this outfit here. I'm going to trim it. I'm going to get B jumping in right there. Boom. I'm also going to stretch it a little bit there. Boom. Okay, I guess I jumped twice. Boom. Pose. Yes, okay, and we're going to snip it there, cut that out, and then go to the third outfit. This one. Yeah. So the third outfit, boom. That one went right in, so I don't really need to take much of the front out, but I need to take that part out. All right, so boom, right before the shoe goes in, I'm gonna snip it. So it goes shirt, boom, shoe. I must have had everything ready on deck for that one. Let's get snip. Boom, the jacket. So right before the jacket, snip, boom. And then snip that last part. And then I'm going to add me jumping in. I think I jumped into this one too. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Pose. Yes. Okay. And snip. So now what I'm going to do is add the audio. Is what's going to set it off. Okay. So let's pull the screen recording of that audio. So what I'm going to do is actually add the extracted audio. It's weird when I'm like videoing and doing this talking at the same time, but okay. So now I'm pulling the audio, extracted it, right? So now I'm going to go exactly to where that audio starts. Cut the part that didn't have anything in there and move this to the front. Now let's see. Now, I like to go on beat, so everything needs to flow for me. So I'm going to edit this so that I can have everything move towards the beat of this song. So I'm going to go back and go. So that one actually was. So that one wasn't. So what I'm going to do. Now see how that hop was in there? And I'm going to speed this up a little bit. So let's see how that looks. Okay, I like that. That one was kind of too, so I could keep that one. Speed it up a little bit. Let's see. Cute. I'm feeling that. Alright, so now that next beat I needed to hit. So let's go back to that. Right there. That. So now I'm going to boom. I'm feeling that. So now I'm going to speed this up so that it's enough to get the end, because I didn't catch all the song and it actually was enough just for that. So I'm going to speed this up just a tad and cut off the end that's not there. Or maybe even get a pose that I really liked. Well, that's going to be what it is. So it's going to end just like that. And I'm going to let it ride to here. Split. Boom. Now I can put over the cover of it with words. What do I want to call this? 3 ways to wear your Jordan Nike bodysuit, or 3 ways to wear your bodysuit. To wear your bodysuit. 3 ways to wear your bodysuit. I'm gonna let it ride just for that part. So here we go. Cute, y'all. I'm feeling this. Okay, and that is how you edit a video with CapCut. And then you just save the video and boom, you have it available for you for Instagram, and you have it for you for YouTube Shorts. Now, when it comes to Instagram, I feel like my lash is coming off. When it comes to Instagram, you can literally just go back, upload that, and add the music that you saved, and you'll turn the volume down. So let's say, for example, we're posting to Instagram. I would go ahead, upload my reel, right? And then remember I saved that music. So I would go to the music here, hit saved, and then it'll go to my music. Here's the song, right? You just click that so that you can make sure that you get the trending music, and you'll just adjust the sound on your video or theirs. So I know mine was on beat with the one I edited. So I'm gonna turn the volume all the way down on the one that was the actual song, the track, because I screen recorded and I use my own audio on that one. And there you have it. That is literally how you edit using CapCut and upload, so that you can do it for both Instagram and YouTube Short. I hope this video helped you guys learn a little bit about editing. I love editing when it comes to creating my videos and my content, and I know that it's so helpful, especially if you know how to use it, because you can do anything when you know how to edit. Like, you're good. People pay so much money just for editing it alone. So if you know how to shoot your own content and edit, you can literally do whatever it is you need to do for your personal brand or even your portfolio. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.